How to change the email address in Honkai Star Rail. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to change it for this specific account, you will have to change it from the account center. So let's follow with the steps. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and you have to visit the account's website. You have to go to account.hoyoverse.com and log in with your current account credentials. After that, you must see the account security settings. Modify the email address by tapping on the modify link next to the email option. Verify the current email, which will send to receive a verification code at your current email address. Enter this code and click on next. After that, enter your new email and verify it. And just by that, your new email address will be successfully changed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.